Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix AMAZFIT Balance 2XT not pairing or syncing. So here we have the watch. As you guys can see, here we have the phone. Now first, what are we going to do is we're going to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth on the phone. So go over to the settings of your device, find Bluetooth. For me it's right here, and now disable it. So now we want to make sure that here we have the red icon. That means our phone is not connected, and now it's connecting. So our icon is blue, so that means it's connected, so it's paired. Now what you guys want to do is restart the phone if it's still not working for you. So for me it's power button and the volume up button. Now I'm gonna swipe up to restart, and we're gonna do the same with the watch. So we're gonna hold this power button, the button on the bottom. Now let's hold it until we see two icons pop up, and here we click the second icon and click the check mark, so our watch is also restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once both of those devices restart. Now after the restart on both of the devices, as you guys can see, what we want to do next is open up the Zepp app right here, and then you want to try and connect again. So for me, as you guys can see, I am connected, but if you guys are not, then I would recommend unpairing the watch right here and then clicking this plus button and just add the device, scan the QR code, and everything should work. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.